The next tool we are going to cover is Power Automate or Flow. As I mentioned, there are a variety of flows you can create. You can create simple tasks like you can see here, Microsoft provides a predefined templates on these workflow automation. So, for example, I get an email, and if I get an email, I need to do a follow-up or reminders, or if I get a file, I need to push that file into a particular place with adding metadata. So simple tasks like this, which is required on a day-to-day user, or extract information from Excel and parse it and save it in a database. So you can create these kind of automation tool. You don't need any developer for this. And this Power Automate or these flows are enabled by default if you have an Office subscription, a particular Office subscription, and end users can use today this without the need of anyone. Of course, they have to follow some of the basic best practices, but they can go ahead and connect and create this if this then that type of task, simple tasks on their own, which helps in their day-to-day activities, right? So and in one of the use cases where we built, we had like where we used to get information from email, a file, basically a Word file or an Excel file, and we had to extract that information and push it to a lab system. So we had built, the end user had built their own workflow there without the need of an IT to extract that information and push it to a destination. So that's the workflow automation tool. The cool thing about it is it's not just these simple automation tasks you can do, but also there's a powerful capability within this workflow automation, which is the AI. And there are custom models or predefined models you can use. And if you don't like any of these AI models, you can build your own models. So let me show you some use cases or some of the models which are available to you today. Yeah, so for example, right, so you want to do document processing, extract information, custom information from a templated document or handwritten document. Any of these things, the AI can extract information and you can send it to destination systems like Salesforce or a CRM system, marketing tool system, or even your own project management or task management system. So these are some of the predefined models you can use today, extracting information from documents, from invoices, or OCR type documents, from photos or PDFs, or even predictive analytics on the future outcome. Or you can also use ChatGPT to answer some of the basic questions here. Okay, and there are other models like along with predictive analytics, analyzing sentimental analysis of a service agent customers. So most often we see audio files or video or text AI summary what occurs in a survey in a call center, and we can use this tool or these models to understand what is the sentimental analysis, and then how we can improve our customer care center overall. So the AI can analyze all that information and then provide that feedback to decision makers. So that's with the AI model. So it's as I mentioned, you can do simple tasks or you can use sophisticated AI tools like this. Here also, as I mentioned, you can connect with variety of data sources, just like Power Apps. You can also use Power Automate to connect to variety of data sources to extract information, process information. For example, you can connect to a SQL database, you can connect to a Salesforce, you can connect to an HR system, get the data, process it within this engine, the Power Automate engine, or even it has math formulas where you can use math formulas to define, like maybe calculate some of the end results, and then provide you that curated data. So that's the tool. And as I mentioned, this is meant for totally end users to do their simple day-to-day tasks to more sophisticated users where they need full end-to-end automation in their organization. So with a combination, you can always combine Power Apps with Power Automate, or you can use these tools individually to achieve your business use case.